peaceful, lovely game. Water. Some of you guys may die, but it's a risk I'm willing you guys to take. All right, $1 million, but you have to press a button. And when you press that button, someone that you know, acquaintance, family, friend, or foe, will die. Would you do it? Would you do? What do you mean press it? I didn't even finish my sentence. You're just gonna press a button. Peace, love, and animals, guys. Press 10 times. Spam it. Y'all are fucked for that. There's a chance I might die. I'm someone. What do you mean for Ember? Yes, that's right. Release me from my misery of living on this mortal coil. Release me from this flesh prison. What? Y'all have no heart. I would press it 100 times. Do you even know 100 people? Another way of saying based. Oh, yep. Based. Can I just keep the button? I like collecting buttons. Yeah, and then one day, your grandchild is gonna stumble upon said button. And they're gonna press it, because pressing buttons is fun. Pressing buttons is human nature. You're gonna have like a Death Note-esque heart attack.